we're gonna pull the quarter glass on this Audi A4 2014. This is an old one, so remember these moldings come with the clips. They are difficult. Most of the time they break. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna take only this guy, this molding here, right there, and we're gonna just pull just right there, because I'm gonna go under the quarter glass, but this one I'm leaving because I don't want to break it, because I cannot wait for these guys to remove the molding, so that's why I do it. So just open this molding, you're gonna just guide the line. Sorry about that. This one is easy because we don't have any problem here. And I'm just gonna put some over here, and one more right there. Okay, and now we're gonna just use the orange pad. That's gonna do it. It's all damaged, but probably here. It's gonna do a double loop, okay? Right there. Just gonna watch out for those clips. Right there. Okay. So that's the first loop. Let's gonna make the second one. So, okay, make sure we don't catch any of these clips. Let me just put this one and this clips. I want to make sure. Star here. Right there. Make sure, because this guy we're back inside and it's gonna make a problem here. And that's all, guys. Okay, so this is the way we'll remove the quarter glass for the A4 14, the old ones. This was always gives us problems, because this molding, these clips right here will break. So I recommend you just get this one in here and get this molding here. The guys can do it. I do because I cannot wait for these guys finish the job. Let me put the moldings back in place, and they're gonna blend it. They're gonna do it. It's not my business. Okay. Clips. And now make sure you put it back on, and that's it. They're gonna blend it, they're gonna take it off. I put it back on, and when I get ready my glass, just go inside here. Okay guys, this is an A4 2014. We finished. See you in the next one.